Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is Haimin, and this is Haimin, and it is going to be marble wall panel kind of things that you can stick up on the wall, make it easy to stick on, and look like marble. I mean, you're probably not going to want to use in a shower, but if you have a backsplash or someplace wall that you want to hook it up to, this is what you'll want to do. It comes protected corners. That's nice, and it comes with a bunch of panels. Let's see how many there are here. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh man, I had shocked on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 10 panels. And this is what it looks like. Look how shiny that is. And it's got a foam backing, but it looks really nice. I'm gonna go put these up a little bit here, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Or actually, you guys can. I'll just kind of aim it over here so you guys can see what I'm talking about here as I put them somewhere. So I'll just line them up over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So if you wanted to have one there, one. Wow, these have, static shock in there, but you would go like that. Look at that, these even match up there. And you could do, you could stagger them if you want to. And it looks like are they sticky on the back? Let's see. Don't know if they have adhesive. Let me check. They do. They have adhesive on the back, so you can just stick them on yourself. So once you get it to the right location here, let's scoot these over here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you would have 1, 2, and then you'd stick one right there. So you can build yourself a little wall like that and keep going up here. So I could cover this. I'm not going to cover this, but that's what it would look like here. And look at that, the way it even lines up. It looks really nice. So if you wanted to make something look marble, you can do that with these. Very nice. Really cool. I'm going to say these are really nice. I'm just going to put them out here on the floor so you guys can see how it looks like in a nice pattern. I really like these. I'm going to say they're more for something that you would look at versus something you are going to want to, have a lot of traffic on. Look how nice, man. These are nice. It's so weird that they have so much static in them. But let's see. So look at that. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And they have good sticky stuff on them, so it'll totally adhere to whatever. So thumbs up for me very much.